This is a fun food episode where I'm going to share to you how to prepare instant noodles super fast. So what we are going to do first is to add water. So since we're going to make an instant noodles, so what we will add next, super instant. And cover, turn on, at a high speed, and wait for a few minutes. Instant noodles is ready! Hey there, it's me Sigh. Welcome back to my channel where I share fun, facts, fashion, and food. And this is another food episode where I am going to teach you, or rather, where I'm going to share to you how I prepare my instant ramen noodles. For lunchtime, I'm going to prepare ramyun from NONGSHIM. And what you will need to prepare instant noodles is, of course, this pack of instant noodles, the ramyun. And also, you will need this and this. Another important ingredient, of course, is the water. I have a competition right now. They're actually having their Friday religious services. So it's like Sunday today here. They're having a mass, and where we are staying is just opposite of a mosque. So this is a seafood and spicy instant noodle from NONGSHIM. The brand is NEOGURI. It's a ramyun. So this is what's inside. It has packs of the vegetable flakes, the powder soup, which is expectedly hot, the noodles, instant noodles is ready! And now my noodles is ready. I'm ready to eat. Kaon ako kay gutom na kaayo. Kaon ako kay pas mo na. May na lang. Mga unta. Ing ato ra kadali magluto og instant noodles. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. And if you want more videos just like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye!